Good evening and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Quatra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company. And the topic that I am going to discuss is a very basic topic, and the name is how to change your name legally. So I think many of us don't know these step-by-step procedures, so that's why I chose this topic for this video. So let's just start. So in India, in our country, we change name because of our marriage or for new identity, right? So but this process of changing name is so time consuming, so I will tell you in brief. So for changing name, you need to file an affidavit and then the publication of the newspaper and the document for of Gazette of India. And document that you need for this is the self-attested, that should be self-attested by the judicial magistrate and or notary, right? So now I will tell you this, what is first, second, third step for this. So step 1 is create the name change affidavit, and you can create this affidavit with the help of a lawyer. And in this affidavit you should have your name and the changed name and why you want to change name and the address, and this affidavit should be signed by at least 2 witnesses, and then go to the notary to notarize this affidavit, right? And now I will tell you step 2. Step 2 is publication in newspapers, and you have to publish this in newspaper that you want to change your name, and your new name will this you can publish in local as well as in national newspaper, right? So third and most important step is, so it is Gazette publication or name change Gazette procedure. In this you have to take your application and document and give it to the Gazette department of publication, and publication of your name change will made within the 7 days, and you have to keep tracking the Gazette information. And upon publication, the procedure to change name will seem easy, but its intricacies can be tricky as it requires one to know about the legal procedure, and sometimes you have to make multiple visits to the government offices. So now I will tell you the documents. What are the documents that are required to change your name? First is advertisement in the newspaper, and second is affidavit for name change. Third is prescribed performer for change of name, and the performance should be signed by 2 witnesses, and performer should contain your name, change name, address and mobile number. And then you need a CD in which you will keep this soft copy of the performer without the signature of the witnesses, and the CD will be in CD, in the name, in the place of signature, applicant's own name will be stated, and you will need a next is you will need a certificate in which it will be stated that the soft copy in the CD and the hard copy are the same. And then you need 2 self-attested passport size pictures and photocopy of identity proof like Aadhaar card or driving license, and then cover letter, and last a demand draft for payment of fees. So I will tell you now the charges. Charges may vary or not. You should check that before changing your name. So I will tell you the affidavit is of 20, notary charges is 200, CD is for 50, newspaper is for 750, and Gazette notification is for 1500. And this is all Indian rupees. So in several cases क्या होता है कि पर्सन जो होता है उसके पास न्यूज़पेपर की कटिंग होती है एंड एफिडेविट होता है, बट गैजेट का जो वो गैजेट का जो डॉक्यूमेंट होता है वो नहीं होता है, तो ऐसा काम नहीं चलेगा। क्योंकि क्या होता है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स के पास राइट होते हैं खाली वो गैजेट को देख के नेम चेंज करें, और कहीं कभी कभार तुम बैंक में भी जा रहे हो तब भी वो गैजेट वाला डॉक्यूमेंट देख के करें, तो कभी कभार काम नहीं होता। तो तुम लोगों के पास तीनों चीज़ें होनी चाहिए। एक तो न्यूज़पेपर कटिंग होनी चाहिए, गैजेट होना चाहिए, और जो एफिडेविट है वो भी। एंड आई थिंक आप लोगों को ये वीडियो समझ में आ गई होगी कि कैसा है ये। वैसे तो इजी है, बट कभी कभार एंट्रीज बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं और गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में बहुत ज़्यादा जाना पड़ता है, तो ऐसा होता है। लेकिन कभी कभार पहले हमको लगता है खाली न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिकेशन दे दी तो हो गया, बट ऐसा नहीं होता, बहुत लंबा प्रोसीजर होता है। तो आपको लीगल इसकी प्रोसेस है और इसकी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी बेसिक टॉपिक। सो आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आया हो, और अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो आप मेरे को कमेंट कर सकते हो। थैंक यू, दैट्स इट फॉर द वीडियो।